How to fix Snapchat login error. Something went wrong on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat login error. Something went wrong on Android phone. First just open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps. Click on it and then click apps again, and now click Snapchat, and then click storage and clear cache, and then click for stop, and then just go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here and click clear data, click on it and click OK, and then just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Just if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.